I want my Honorable Chief Minister and 25 MPs who have been elected. They just gave us a lot of chocolates to all the voters and got a good number. What options we have? In COVID, they did not help us. Whatever they announced did not reach anyone. This is a budget for only corporates. It is not a budget for common man. Either the finance minister should have announced that they would at least give 4 lakh rupees for those who died, or reimburse the hospital bill. Nothing is there. Those who have got losses in all COVID activities, at least some compensation should be given to all those people, either the farmers or all the common man, the drivers, whatever may be, who have been in the villages doing their dobi work, or the barbers or anything, or street vendors, any small help. I think Government of India would have given them the opportunity through the states. There is nothing. They have said only on cryptocurrency, they have tried to make it, I don't know, they wanted to make it legalized. In law, they have said that they are going to bring law. They said that they are going to tax something they have brought. So nothing. The steel price, housing, nothing has been controlled. When steel price has gone more than 60,000 rupees and cement per bag has gone more than 400 rupees. Where is that they are helping for housing? So this is not a budget for anyone. Any common man has not been benefited out of this budget. This is a budget for only businessmen, the rich businessmen and the corporate houses.
So do you sector and rural sector
industries?
Then they have taken care of MSMEs. They have increased their funds for MSME from 50,000 to 5 lakhs. Where revival of the MSME is very important for the economy. And then they have invested in railways, 25,000 kilometers of national highways, a very ambitious project. And healthcare, they have taken a great deal in the health sector. And education, they are trying to bring reforms. So it is taking care of all sectors. And especially, I think the common man and the working class as well as business class will be benefited from this budget.
Sir, cryptocurrency. India is going to introduce cryptocurrency. 30% is what the tax outlay is for any gains in cryptocurrency. So do you think it's a little on a higher side? They should have been more liberal.
See, this cryptocurrency is still in a very nascent stage.
Yes.
It has to be observed, looked, studied, and after a careful study only we can really assess what is right and what is wrong.
You are going to present the first budget in a few days. What is your inspiration and takeaways from this budget, sir? What can we look forward to Karnataka?
See, one thing is, as far as physical deficit is concerned, they are maintained at 4%. And they are linked to the power reforms, which was very, very necessary. The second one is the outlay, capital outlay, which will be given to the states from 10,000 to 1 lakh rupees. Therefore, we expect around 3,000 crores additional on our capital outlay also. And we will have a share in our national airways, railways and others.
You went to Delhi a couple of times. There were specific requests from you also. Has those wish list been fulfilled, sir?
One is fulfilled, that is 4% fiscal deficit has been maintained. That is one is fulfilled. Other things will be decided, some of the things will be decided in GST Council, not in the budget.
So interlinking of river, experts are saying that this is like, letting the cat in amongst the pigeon, and this will rake up a lot of controversy in the days to come.
See, any river project which involves interstate will have certain amount of controversy, but this might solve the long pending issues between the states.